Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not sign in problem on Smart TV. So the first method you can try is to update the YouTube app. So just make sure you're running the latest version of the YouTube app installed on your Smart TV. You can usually find updates in the App Store of your TV's operating system. Next, you can also make sure you're using a valid Google account to sign in. Sometimes using an incorrect or outdated account can cause sign-in issues. Next, try resetting the YouTube app. To do this, head to the settings of your smart TV, find the YouTube app, and reset it. This will sign you out and clear any temporary issues. Next up, if your TV allows it, try clearing the cache and data for the YouTube app. This can help resolve any corrupted data causing the sign-in problem. Next up, you can also try restarting your TV. So sometimes a simple restart can fix many issues. Turn off your TV, unplug it for a few minutes, and then plug it back in and turn it on. Next, you can also try checking your internet connection. So just ensure your smart TV is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can cause sign-in problems. And then finally, if none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the YouTube app on your smart TV. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.